Hey chickies, I hope you're all doing well out there. Now today we are doing nail art inspired by my new glasses, which have a tortoiseshell blue frame. Now I followed the tutorial from Hannah Rocks It. She did a traditional tortoiseshell, but because of my glasses I decided to do a blue one. I really hope you like it. Let's get into it. Starting off with 2 coats of a homemade light blue polish. So basically I just put I don't know, about 100 drops of a very dark blue polish into a clear bottle of a bottle of clear polish. Anyone, you can make any kind of sheer polish doing that. Now in order to not have like a really streaky effect, you want to do very thin layers, and you might want to do 2 or 3 depending on what kind of effect or what kind of color you want. But for this one I just did 2, and then what we're going to do is come in with the darker colors, which actually help you to create the tortoiseshell. Now rather than using nail polish remover, I'm using a nail polish thinner. You can use nail polish remover to thin out your polish, but I don't recommend it because it doesn't work as well, but you can use it. I just don't recommend it. So we're starting off with the lighter shade of blue, and we thin it out with the nail polish thinner as opposed to the remover. And then we're going to do the spot, and this is basically, it's very similar to, say, what was that, the rose quartz kind of nail art, where you layer the colors so that you can get the effect that you're looking for. Once that first layer of design is dry, you can come in with a darker, even darker polish. This is a almost black blue polish, but we're still going to be thinning it out with the nail polish thinner. When you add the darker color over the lighter color, what you want to do is still be able to see a slight amount of the lighter color just underneath. So you're not actually going to mirror exactly the splotches that you've put on in the first place. You're going to just go up to the edge, but not all the way to the edge of the design that you previously placed on your nail. I hope that makes sense. Now once that design is completely dry, you want to go ahead and seal it all in with your favorite top coat. Isn't that just delicious? I love it so much. That's it for this one. I really hope you liked it. I really loved it, and I wanted to wear it for days and days and days. I couldn't because I had to do other nail art, but I'm definitely going to do this again, and I think it looked good in lots of different shades. You could try it in lots of different shades, but I absolutely adored this nail art, and yeah, one of my absolute all-time favorites. Anyway, that's it for me. I really hope you like this one, and I will see you very soon with some more nail art. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to go and watch my previous videos, and yeah, I hope you all stay safe, and I will see you very soon. I'll talk to you very soon anyway. Alrighty, thank you. Okay now. Bye.